This 2024 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 353 bed is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 57 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.